Good morning, children. Welcome back to Standard 2 English Literature class. In the last class, we read part 1 of the story, Nani Walks to the Park. Today, I will be teaching you the remaining part of the story. So, children, pay attention. Before that, let us quickly revise the story till now. Vikas is going to the park with Nani today. He wants to take the shortcut, but Nani takes him to her favorite lanes. First, they go to the lane of treasure, which is a market. Then they go to the lane of happiness, where Nani gives milk to the dogs and cats. After that, they go to the lane of mischief, where children are laughing and playing. Let us start with the second part of the story now. Children, after each line I will be explaining to you. Pay attention. Have you named all the lanes in the city? Asked Vikas. Why did Vikas ask, children? Because he was surprised, no? Nani has named almost 4 to 5 lanes. Now Vikas asked Nani that have you named all the lanes in the city? Because she has named for every lane where they have been. Not all, smiles Nani. Only the ones that are important to me. Now, what does Nani says? Nani says that she has not given names to all the lanes in the city. She has named only the lanes which are important for her. Now, which are the lanes which are important to her? Lane of friendship, happiness, mischief, and etc. No? Come, let's go to the lane of friendship. Nani tells Vikas that let's go to the lane of friendship. So that name of the next lane is lane of friendship. Now, who lives in the lane of friendship? Now we will come to know. Nani's friends lives in the lane of friendship. They were girls together and they have grown old together. Who lives in the lane of friendship? Nani's friends lives in the lane of friendship, no? They were girls together and they have grown old together. This line means that they had been friends since childhood. Childhood means from very small they have been playing together and they have grown together. You know? After that, they separated. No? She got married and Nani also got married. But whenever Nani goes to that lane, she goes and meet a friend. Nani and her friend talk and laugh for some time. Then Nani hugs her friend and says goodbye. Now, when we meet our friends, we get very excited, no? When we meet them after a long time. So when old friends met, what do? They talk and laugh just like Nani and her friends are doing. Even when you meet your friends after a long time, you get excited, no? So like that, Nani and her friend was very happy and excited. After that, Nani hugs her friends and tells her goodbye. Now, after sitting and talking for some time, they joked and they laughed. Then it was time for Nani to go, no? Because she has to go back. So then she will say goodbye to her friend. Come, Vikas, we will now walk to the lane of dreams, says Nani. Now, children, after saying goodbye to a friend, Nani tells Vikas that we will go to the lane of dreams next. Each lane when they are going, Nani tells Vikas, no? She named each lane to Vikas. The lane of dreams has more books than Vikas' school library. The bookseller sells old books for very little money. So what is there in the lane of dreams, children? A lot of books, even more than the books in Vikas school library. Bookseller means a person who sells books, In our, even you all go to buy books over there in the shop. The booksellers sell books, when to your parents they go and buy for you. He sells old books at a very low price. Now everybody cannot buy new books. Everybody don't have lots of money. So some people buy old books for a low price. Nani buys some books and says, let's go, we are almost at the park now. Now Nani also is getting tired, no? So she's telling Vikas, come on now, we are almost reaching the park. Nani buys some books from the lane of dreams. What did she buy? She too bought some books. She tells Vikas that we are very close to the park now. Nani and Vikas have to walk down the lane of magic to reach the park. So children, what is the name of the next lane? Let us read and we'll continue. The lane of magic. Nani and Vikas have to cross this lane to reach the park. Which lane, children, they have to pass? Magic lane, no? Let us see what is there. Vikas looks up at the big shady trees and feels a cool breeze. So, what is there in the lane of magic? There are big trees, shady trees in the lane of magic. Shady trees means big trees with lots of leaves which provide shade from sunlight. Now when you feel hot, we sometimes let us stand under the tree to take shade, from the sunlight. So Vikas feels cool breeze under the trees. The road is covered in red and yellow flowers. It looks like a magic carpet. Now we are going to again magic carpet. Why? Red and yellow flowers from trees have fallen on the ground and it looks very beautiful. Red color is very bright, no? Yellow also is very bright. So when you look from far, it looks very beautiful. A magic carpet means a beautiful carpet with a very nice design. At last, they are at the park. Vikas thinks of all the people and places he has seen. So children, after going to all the lanes, Vikas and Nani have finally reached, where have they reached? The park. Vikas thinks about how many people and new places he has seen today. Vikas is very happy going for a walk with his Nani because he could meet many new people and new places also. I like your lanes, Nani, he says. Can I come with you next week too? Vikas tells Nani that I like your lanes and I want to come with you next week also. Why does he say this, children? Vikas says this because he has enjoyed coming to the park with Nani. So he wants to come. He wants to go every week. Only during the weekend Nani goes. So he too wants to join Nani because he liked meeting Nani's friends and moreover he went through many lanes, different lanes he went. So children, this is the story. Nani walks to the park. How did you like this story, children? So, children, there are two things to learn from this lesson. The first thing is that we must not always look for shortcuts. We may miss something important if we always keep looking for shortcut in life. The second thing which we learn is that we must spend time with our elders and learn from their experience. Nowadays, children, they don't want to spend time with the parents or with the elders, especially with the grandparents. So they feel neglected. Our new generation, they only want to spend time in the mobile and TV. Not go, doesn't want to go for a walk. So if you go for a walk with your grandparents like Nani, if you talk to them, if you spend some time with them, they too will be happy and you too will be happy. You both will enjoy. Please watch the video again for better understanding. Goodbye till we meet again in the next class.